Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed brakes on a Ram 3500. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a wrench, a clear hose, and fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Ensure your truck is safely supported on a level surface. Then, locate your master cylinder and fill it completely to the maximum line with new brake fluid. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's begin the actual bleeding process. Always start with the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, which is typically the passenger rear on your Ram 3500. Attach one end of your clear hose to the bleeder valve and submerge the other end into a container with some fresh brake fluid. Have a helper pump the brake pedal 3 to 5 times, then hold it firmly down.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation, just like you want reliable brakes, you want reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable. Check the description for a link to these socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Continue this sequence for the remaining wheels, driver's rear, then passenger front, and finally the driver's front. While your helper holds the pedal down, quickly open the bleeder valve for about 2 to 3 seconds to release fluid and any air bubbles. Crucially, close the bleeder valve completely before your helper releases the brake pedal. This prevents air from re-entering the system. Throughout the entire bleeding process, it's vital to continuously monitor the master cylinder fluid level. Never let it drop too low, or you risk introducing air back into the system. Top it off as needed with fresh fluid. Once all wheels are bled, test your brake pedal. It should feel firm and responsive, without any sponginess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.